Namaste. Welcome to the Department of Agatatantra, or in a simpler terms, Department of Visha Chikitsa or Ayurvedic Toxicology. Myself, Vaidya Jishnu Narayanan, working here as an assistant professor in this department at Ashtangam Ayurveda Chikitsalayam and Vidyapeetham. In current BAMS curriculum, the Department of Agatatantra is coming in the third year of BAMS. The Agatatantra branch can be broadly divided into three parts. The first and foremost one, as the name suggests, is about the toxicological part or the Visha Chikitsa part. It covers topics like the concept of Visha, poison, its classification, identification of various commonly available poisons, including plant, animal, mineral, and the other various artificially manufactured poisons. The second part is one of the most interesting part, known as Vyavahara Ayurveda or forensic medicine. This is the branch where the knowledge in medicine is used by the legal system to help people get their justice. Understanding the possibilities of various acute and chronic medical conditions, their chances of occurrence, health implications, etc., cannot be judged completely by the court without the help of an expert in the subject. Starting from a simple wound or injury to complicated cases of homicide, suicide, or accidental deaths, a physician must be prepared to act as an expert witness in the court. The third part, included under the subject, is medical jurisprudence, or known as Vidhi Vaidyagam, dealing with a very relevant and important area of medical ethics, legal and ethical rights of patients, physician, working of medical system under the government, and various codes of conduct a physician should follow. Students will be undergoing theoretical, clinical, and practical sessions. They will be having postings outside the campus in criminal courts to understand the normal court procedures. We will be teaching them the postmortem or the basics of medico-legal autopsy. They will be having visits to various zoological and botanical gardens to identify various toxicological and poisonous drugs of plant origin, and even the animals and various other forensic laboratories to understand the basics of the science. We also have a museum exhibiting wet and dry samples of toxic substances, poisonous creatures, artificial poisons, teaching models related to forensic medicine, weapons used in criminal acts, and department provides a teaching area for practical demonstration and teaching. Various teaching methodologies like small group learning, simulations, e-learning are incorporated in the curriculum here in Ashtangam Ayurveda Vidyapeetham. State of Kerala has a rich history of contribution to the Ayurvedic clinical toxicology and produced treasures of traditional folklore literatures, that too in regional languages. Our department mini library takes steps to collect, preserve these, and we do have a collection of published or out of publication textbooks of local languages. Along with providing true clinical and theoretical knowledge, here we at Ashtangam Ayurveda Vidyapeetham is also looking into giving a humanitarian and ethical values to the students. Our department takes a unique steps in molding these students into a true physician in that sense.